Hi everyone, so today we will do a twin flame and a higher level soulmate connection. I hope you all are doing great. Please be well. Okay. Now I got a calling today to do this reading because I believe a lot of us have been incarnated on this earth who are Shiv Shakti, who are Radhi Krishna. It's basically twin flame connection is very rare. Not everybody is a twin flame, but you definitely have a soulmate. But twin flame connection is like one soul in two bodies. One is divine masculine and one is divine feminine, and universe brings them together for a special purpose on earth. They're just not for romantic reasons, of course that's one of it, and there is intense chemistry and long eye contacts. Of course the other person feels the feminine feels the masculine energy and the masculine feels feminine energy, and there is a lot of mirroring happening. Okay, their childhood is similar, they have same kind of hurt wounds, and something, their past relationship may be similar. One is married, the other person is not married, and both can be married, or both can be single as well, or coming out from a difficult connection, but their childhood, their past have not been one of the easiest. That's because they are special souls, they're the chosen ones, because only when they hurt they heal. That's how they can lead other people in their life through their work, or through divine feminines are usually into spiritual work, into healing work, or they try to help the society in some shape or format by offering seva. And divine masculine also is living a very corporate life, or maybe living a very material life, but they also slowly and steadily start believing in universe, in spiritual work, in god, divine, like angel numbers, and suddenly whenever they meet the feminine, they have strong spiritual awakening, and then nothing is same. And universe guide them every time through shape, sign, different kind of. Sometimes they end up looking at somebody who just looks like the divine feminine, but it's not the same. No matter how many people they both date, they cannot get over each other because it's a very strong soul bond. Yeah. So if you happen to find your twin flame, then this reading is for you, or soulmate. This is also a reading for you. Enjoy this reading. Okay. What is divine masculine's feelings? I'm upset and need some time to cool down. Okay. I don't know why he's upset, but yeah, he is upset. Maybe your masculine is upset for some reason, for the past reasons, or he's upset on his own. I struggle to express my feelings and concerns openly, so I keep everything bottled inside. Your masculine is somebody who can't communicate, because whenever they look at you, they become tongue tied, and they really want to talk and express their feelings, but there's so many things that they want to share with you, but they keep it bottled inside for some reason. They feel that this is not the right time, maybe later, not now, I'm not ready. They just scared and tongue tied whenever they look at you. Okay, the longer the way, the sweeter the sweeter the kiss. Okay, they really struggle to talk, because I usually do not struggle so much to talk, but I feel your masculine energy where they really become tongue tied when they look at you. Okay, and they can't speak. Getting my point? So they really want to kiss you, and the longer the way, the more time. Sometimes these kind of separations are very long. Maybe it's a year, 2 year, 10 years, 5 years, based on the inner work the feminine has done on herself. If the feminine is very spiritual, she's the leader in this connection. If she have done her prayers, her healings, her meditations on time, her inner work on time and properly every day, that's how the process is speed up, and that's how the unions happen. Okay, if you are meant to be in this lifetime, you will meet them again for sure. Claim your twin flame union, because that person is, if he or she is destined for you, they will apparently come right in front of you, but not without the inner work, not without the divine, because twin flame connections is mostly, and soulmate connections are mostly about connecting with the divine first, connecting with your gods first, connecting with yourself first, loving yourself first, and then when you do that, you meet the right person. Okay, you get the person. All right, what else are they thinking? Competition. They are very nervous and intimidated by the competition. Like maybe the divine feminine is divine feminine. Okay, she have her aura. She is beautiful, or she becomes beautiful, or she takes care of herself. If she's an awakened divine feminine, she'll definitely be very good looking, or magnetic, and very aura, and very charismatic. So a lot of people will want to date her or be with her. Doesn't matter what is her relationship status. Okay, but they just want to be friends with her, because she gets a lot of attention, and that's the truth. Like, her aura, every person who sees her want to be with her because of her aura more so than her looks. So yeah, letting go. I wish you can understand that it was difficult decision for me. In fact, I struggled with it in last, maybe whenever the separation happened, they had to let you go for some reason. It was a very difficult decision for them, but they're still embarrassed over it, and they feel like waiting. I'll be here waiting for you for as long as I have to, because I don't want anyone else. Or your masculine is waiting for you, your masculine is ready to wait for years, lifetime, whatever it is, but they don't want anybody else because they want you. And they can't, it's obvious, because you are two peas in a pod. You are each other's other half, so it's like not having your left hand without the right hand. So obviously the masculine will not be able to make their, complete their puzzle without you. And even if they have to settle for less, and this masculine doesn't seem to be settling for less. They want what they want. So, and they want you, baby. Okay, still the one. Okay, so you are still the one for them. And they are somebody who is wondering, how can I fix this? Now, how do I get my feminine? How do I work on this connection? How do I make this work? Because they are somebody who's serious about you, and they want commitment, marriage, and probably some masculines are ready to just tie you down and not let you go anywhere. And they have eyes only for you because you're the one. So this is masculine energy. And if you like this reading, and if you want to have your own personal reading, I'm getting this as well. So maybe they were a player in the past, but now they are ready to settle down. So, okay. All right. So, yeah, that's the reading. So if you want to book a reading, please reach out to me via Instagram or WhatsApp, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye.